This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Beth Page. Spacious Hardin Valley home located in sought-after Reagan Landing subdivision. The eye-catching floor plan and open concept has loads of wonderful natural light and includes a large kitchen that is perfect for entertaining. One of the master bedrooms is located on the main level and features cathedral ceilings and an ensuite. There is also a second master suite upstairs, extra large bonus room and sound-guarded theater room. The inviting covered patio leads out to the large level backyard, which is fully fenced and has a storage shed to keep your toys or tools. For more information, review the details below or contact Beth Page at 865-687-1111.